Bring it back.
Welcome to a brand new year from the WPNN. My name is Emma.
My name is Addison.
And I'm Nat.
Panthers, are you possibly interested in joining the military or just exploring what career is best suited for you after you graduate?
If you answered yes to either of those questions, Heritage will be giving the ASVAB Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery Test on Thursday, February 5th, 8:45 in the auditorium.
The test will let you know how well suited you are for enlisting in the military and will determine the best job fit based on their skills and abilities in various areas, including math, science, reading comprehension, and mechanical comprehension.
All 10th through 12th graders are eligible to take it. You can sign up using this link.
Please make sure you are available on Thursday, February 5th at 8:45. No appointments, orchestra rehearsals, etc. before signing up.
Panthers, now take a look at some highlights from yesterday's pep rally.
Seniors, on February 10th, 2026, we'll be hosting the Go Higher workshop from 8:45 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. in the Media Center.
Seniors, during this workshop, you can get assistance with the EFSC application in FAFSA. Each year we have helped hundreds of seniors just like you complete the EFSC application and FAFSA financial aid application through our Go Higher program.
Seniors that participate can expect to create an account with EFSC, complete and submit the application, get assistance for students and parents with the FAFSA.
Receive scholarship information and be considered for an EFSC Go Higher scholarship from the EFSC Foundation up to $1,000 to help cover any unmet need. Gain an understanding of the next steps, get EFSC swag, and a chance at a $50 Amazon gift card from Elevate Brevard.
If you have any questions regarding this event, seniors should contact Ms. Jameer.
In sports news, our boys soccer will play here at Heritage tonight starting at 5:30 p.m. They will take on Palm Bay High.
We will also be celebrating our graduating boys soccer seniors tonight. Come out and support your Panthers.
Next up is boys basketball. They will play based on Monday, January 12th. Freshmen, JV, and varsity will also play starting at 5 p.m. with freshmen.
Panther girls soccer will play on Thursday, January 15th against Palm Bay High.
That's all the news we have for this week.
Remember to lock in because
Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue! Yay! Oh, oops.
Did you yawn?
I felt like 3 times.
Dude.
I need to stop.
I'm not going to be celebrating our graduating boys soccer seniors tonight. Come out and support your Panthers. My name is Emma.
My name is Addison.
And my name is Nat.
Oh, Panthers! You can sign up using this link.
That's me. Oh, please make sure you are available on Thursday, February 5th at 8:45. I just spit. No appointments, orchestra rehearsals, etc. before signing up. One up! I'm sorry.